Starting around 26 October 2023, Nexo in every practical sense is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Nexo generally has a fundamentally complete market cap of $349,989,685, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,386,645 in a significant manner. This fundamentally makes Nexo truly positioning at 95 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo most certainly be worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Nexo a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? Will Nexo cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? These for the most part are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in every practical sense, enormous way. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of 76 cents, the normal for the most part least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to explicitly be 72 cents, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 81 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is determined to by and large be at around in every practical sense, least worth of 61 cents in a huge way. The Nexo value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of 69 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which especially is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is supposed to truly be at around for the most part least of 66 cents in a really significant manner. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of 72 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, showing that starting around 26 October 2023, Nexo really is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour amazingly. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 71 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is certainly anticipated to by and large arrive at an especially normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 78 cents and a fundamentally least of 72 cents. Which for the most part shows that Nexo value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a very normal value level of 76 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to be 72 cents in a by and large significant manner. Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo most certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around in all things considered, least of 72 cents, or so they especially thought. Nexo cost can generally arrive at a limit of 81 cents, with the really normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Nexo genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost in a real sense has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 2.3% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Nexo for the most part was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 17.59%, demonstrating the way that Nexo cost can basically arrive at a by and large limit of 81 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, in a kind of enormous way. Nexo basically has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential recently, And this could be decent and open door to in every practical sense. Dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that this basically makes Nexo essentially positioning at 95 in the digital currency market, which especially is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically diminished by 13.125%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.094 from its kind of current worth, or so they certainly thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be an excellent really purchase an open door for kind of speedy venture, which especially is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 25.77%, and the cost in a real sense, circled from a sort of least really normal cost of 79 cents to greatest in every way that really matters, normal cost of 86 cents in the especially beyond 90 days. Genuinely further appearance how Nexo especially has an extremely all-out market cap of $349,989,685 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,386,645 in an especially significant manner. Nexo by and large is somewhere near 15.54%, with the for the most part greatest pretty typical cost of the coin generally was around 67 cents, and the least truly normal cost of in every practical sense was around 65 cents in essentially beyond 4 months, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Nexo truly worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Nexo cost really is determined to arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 81 cents, with genuinely least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Nexo especially have a future, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Nexo basically has a remarkable certainly potential to really arrive at new levels, so will Nexo cost outperform its unsurpassed high, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking? It in every practical sense is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, showing how it generally is gauged that Nexo will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can truly raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $24.07 till 2030, most certainly further appearance how starting around 26 October 2023, Nexo basically is exchanging at 62 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Is Nexo genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Nexo's worth certainly is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every practical sense support cost rise, showing that as far as value, Nexo basically has a remarkable truly potential to by and large arrive at new levels. So will Nexo